subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily install Google Chrome on your Mac. So for doing this you just need to open your Safari. Now you just need to write in Safari Google Chrome. So now just tap here, and here you will see the browser built by Google. Download Google Chrome. Here you can see for Mac. So you just need to check if your version of Mac is this one, 10.11 or later. So you can also check this by tapping on Apple, and here you will find about this Mac, and here you can also check this thing, what version you have. So here you can see version 11. So after, just tap on download Chrome, and just here you need to choose Mac with Intel chip or Mac with Apple chip. So I just have with Intel chip. Just tap here, and now just tap on allow. After your download was successful, so just tap on file, open it, and install Google Chrome on your Mac. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.